Hello guys, in this episode we're going to talk about my first car I got when I was 15 years old. Okay, so let's go back 7 years. One day a buddy of mine came to me and said he wanted to buy a car. And it was not just any car, it was an E36 318 with a M50 B20 swap in it. So it was a straight 6 and that was pretty cool. So we decided to buy that car. It was dirt cheap and we bought it as a group. So the car was dirt cheap and we split it 4 ways. So I mean, it was so cheap that I didn't care so much about it because it was so cheap and none of us did, so we just treated it like crap. At least that we think we did, because back at that time everything was so crazy. When we did like a little burnout, it was like, whoa, it was so cool.
I want to see it!
Now I have done a few burnouts in my life and it's not that crazy anymore, but it's cool. But back, you can imagine back when you're that young, as 15 years old, like doing a burnout was insane. It was so awesome. So yeah, let's just watch some of the footage. I filmed a lot with my GoPro and yeah, it was a really good time in my life. No worries, no nothing, just being a passenger, driving a little bit on private roads and stuff like that, and you clearly see we are having a really good time here, and yeah, it was a lot of fun for very little money, so I do not regret buying that car. I would not say that maybe this was my first car because I bought it with friends, but you know what, for the sake of it and for the story, I don't know, whatever. It was my first car, and my next car would be my second car, so whatever. But now let's focus on the beautiful E36 318 320. Yeah, it was nice. It was not approved at all. It didn't have plates even, so every time we drove it we have to buy those one-day license plates, and they're not that expensive, but when you add it all up and for each day driving it, then it actually is quite a lot. So yeah, but anyways, it was really fun driving this car, and yeah, I think you can tell also it's really fun.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are here town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
After a long and cold winter, the car was just standing, we did not use it at all. And when we tried to start it up, the battery was completely flat and the one wheel was kind of not frozen, but it was kind of rusted and it wouldn't move. So we tried like clutch kicking really hard to like kick the wheel so it will get some motion, and actually we made it. We made the car move. And we could feel that the engine was in really bad condition. It did not have those 150 horsepower anymore. It was really weak. So for the last time, we decided we wanted to have some fun with it. Go that well actually. The engine was very weak, but then we found out if you put some obstacles in front of the front tires, then we don't have to brake, then it will manage to burn out, and then it did. So we got the burnouts done, and it was quite fun actually also. Then the diff broke, differential broke. When the differential breaks, you can't drive the car, so we had to push it back into the backyard, and at that point we were just now it's way too much work. We could just replace the diff, but we decided not to. We just scrapped it. So that's exactly what we did. We just scrapped it.
Very hot. Indeed. Ah, I see a lag here. I see a glitch. Nice. Ja, derfor de 500 power baba.
And we kind of all got our money back almost, because some of the guys took a lot of parts from it and used it on their own E36, and we sold some parts, and so we almost break even on this project. And yeah, to like sum that up, I would say that was really good money. I would like to look back now, I would say that was money well spent, because it was a very fun time, and we actually learned a lot from the car as well. We took the engine apart, we took it out of the chassis. We took the engine out of the chassis, and so yeah, that was quite fun actually. A good day with demounting the whole engine to see how everything fits and works and everything. So that was quite fun actually. But anyways, I really appreciate you watching my videos till the end, and so thank you for that. If you did like the video, please leave a like and subscribe with notification if you're not already doing that. I hope I will see you in episode 2 of this series, where I will be talking about my car, which I got at age 16 actually. So yeah, I have a lot of footage from that car as well. So yeah. Have a good evening, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.